How to recover permanently disabled Facebook account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover your permanently disabled Facebook account. Now go ahead and open up your browser. After you open up your browser, now go ahead and type in this website, wiki. Here is, I can see now, tap on this wiki. Here is the name of the website, wikihow.com/contact Facebook. So tap on this option. So from this option here, it says how to contact Facebook, easy ways to get account help. So scroll all the way to down, scroll to down. So from this option, as you can see now here, it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply, because these forms are all linked directly from support page on Facebook. You are more likely to get a reply to filling out these forms than sending email directly. So if you want to recover your disabled Facebook account, all you have to do here is the link. As you can see now, tap on this first link, this one. So as you can see now, here is the link. So as you can see now, here is the link. There is different link in this option. Just go ahead and tap on this first one. If your account is disabled, this one, as you can see now, here is it now. If your account was disabled, so tap on this link. So if you tap on this link, now it will give you access to fill a form that was given by Facebook. So Facebook personally give a form to fill for the people that their account was disabled. So if you tap on this link, it will give you a form to fill. After filling the form, you provide your email address. So from that email address, you can wait for Facebook to reach out to you within 24 hours or 48 hours with a possible method to recover your Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to recover permanently disabled Facebook account. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you out.